Hey guys, I got the Limitless out today. It's been a little while, so looking forward to making a pass with it here. I guess the only thing I've changed since last time I had it out was this the raw chiffon wing. That's pretty much it. And made a partial pass with it last time. Really didn't get much time to mess with it, but we'll see if we can get a pass in with it here. GPS is on and testing. 22 miles an hour. I was driving it over here. Start. There's 0. Track. She's picking up. See if we can work a pass in. Actually, for a December day, it's turned out to be a pretty nice day, so I'm very proud of that. This time of the year, don't really expect to get out much, but we'll definitely take it when we can. Seemed like a pretty solid pass. For me, anyways. I really just enjoy driving the open wheel for some reason. Let's see what that looked like. ESC fans on, so that must have been doing something anyway, right? Let's see here. Okay, stop. Read. 169. Hey, that's an improvement, guys. Definitely an improvement, and could definitely be worse. So this car, one thing that's really helped me achieve these things with this car is the Azure 9000s. They're a 4S 2P pack. Really stout speed run pack, guys. These things are solid. This is a newer pair. My old pair I still run and they still perform well, but I've just had excellent luck with them. The last pair, they've been used and abused and you name it. So very proud to say these are a lot of the reason why, and with any luck we'll speed up soon, guys. Thanks for watching.